Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a stream overlay on OBS. First of all, and of course, you will need OBS on your desktop or PC. You can just go and download it through any browser you have. It could be Opera, Google Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, or whatever browser you have. Just go, click Add, and type download OBS last version, click at the first link, and download it. Then all you need to do, just go set up your OBS, launch it, and let's get started. So first of all, after opening OBS, all you need to do, just go here and click at the plus icon at scenes and click at add. Then name whatever scene, the scene, whatever you want, then click OK. Then all you need to do, just go here and click at source. Then if you click on the plus icon at source, which is add, you can here choose maybe an image. So if you choose this image and click on OK, all you need here to do is just upload your image. So first of all, let me just download a stream overlay and go back to you. So after downloading maybe your stream overlay or whatever, just go here and click at browse. And as you can see here, you'll just need to choose where did you put the image or the stream overlay at. So for me, that will be it, this, and just click on OK. Then just maybe resize it as you want. You can maybe do whatever you want with this picture. So let's just do this. Then all you need to do, maybe just add maybe your camera here and your screen here. You can add this by clicking at the add this sources again. Here you can add video capture device and window capture or even display capture to show here. Then all you need to do, just go to settings, add some hotkeys to start record, stop record, pause record, then click on apply, OK, and you will be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.